In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit a legend view in Revit. Legends are perfect for communicating standard graphics, symbols, and notes that you can reuse across multiple sheets. Let's walk through how to open the legend you want, make precise changes, and keep everything neat and consistent. Start by looking to your project browser, usually docked on the left side of the Revit window. Scroll until you see the Legends category, then click the arrow to expand it. You'll see a list of your existing legends. Double-click the one you want to edit. That opens the legend view directly, so you're working right inside the view that will appear on your sheets. Once you're in the legend view, you can modify the content just like you would in a drafting view. Use detail components to place standardized items, text for notes and labels, lines for clean separators or callouts, filled regions to create solid or patterned areas, and symbols to drop in commonly used graphics. These tools are available on the Annotate tab, and they behave the same way you're used to elsewhere in Revit. You can drag elements to new positions, use the grips to resize them, and press delete to remove anything you no longer need. Snaps will help you align content precisely, and zooming in before making fine adjustments can prevent accidental misplacement. As you refine the layout, think about clarity and hierarchy. For example, a thin line style might be better for dividers, while a thicker boundary can highlight important sections. Filled regions are great for headings or legend keys, but keep them subtle so they don't overpower text. If you're adjusting symbols or detail components, maintain consistent spacing for a clean, professional look. When it comes to text and labels, click any text note to edit the wording directly in the view. For formatting adjustments, look to the Properties palette. There you can change the text type, which controls the font size and other style settings. Pick a size that reads well at the scale your sheets use, and stick to your project standards for fonts and alignment. If a note looks cramped, give it more line spacing or break it into clear, concise lines. As you wrap up, take a quick pass to align elements and confirm everything reads logically from top to bottom. Your edits are saved with the legend, so anywhere that legend is placed on sheets will reflect your updates. That's it, simple, consistent, and ready for documentation.